Welcome to Set and Forget Traders, where precision meets patience. This isn't guesswork, it's strategy, structure, and the smart money's roadmap. If you're tired of chasing trades, strap in. We'll show you how to trade like the banks and not against them. If the market noise has been costing you money and peace of mind, you are in the right place. Hit the subscribe button. This is where structure meets mastery. Now make better decision now the coming week, because this thing happens in a flash. You cannot think while the market is moving. You need to think while the market has paused, so that you can plan for your loss and your wins. On the moving average, this is the retailer's moving average, and on the daily candle, you can see the daily candle closed. The daily candle closed on this bearish. The daily candle closed above the support, and the next day pushed high, and the last day of the week the market was pushed high from the support, and again the next support. So if you're selling, be observant of these two levels of 1.35833. all right, but if the market is going to push lower, bro, take your profit at 1.34733, around that area. Don't say we didn't tell you, because we're coming next week with another analysis and we'll be able to know what happened in line with our demand and supply laws. Be observant of these two support, 1.3584 and around it, and 1.34717, and lastly 1.32808. That's where the big institutions are going to take the bank. But this is the retailers moving average. If you check on the monthly, we didn't do a top down. So the support in the monthly is around 1.31770. The weekly, the support is at 1.34155 and 1.32116. This seems to be logic, because this seems to be more than 1 week. So predicting the coming week, just stay positive on 1.3417. This will be an inside bar, so seems likely. On the daily, be observant of the one that we have highlighted already. On the 4 hours, again, if I delete this, look at that. This candle closed exactly. It closed exactly at the support. It closed exactly at the support, and buyers took and sellers took their profit. You need to know what's happening. Even on NFP, the price again closed at the support. And you see the next candle engulfed the previous supply order block. So be informed, bro. You need to know what's happening. But we're expecting to see a bearish again coming into this order block, into this support at 1.36174. And next will be 1.35454. Subscribe to our broadcast so that we might help you, and even just consult us so that we might be telling you during the week what's happening. Then when you go to the institutional order block, on the monthly, support is below. On the weekly, support again, this is a good take profit, 1.34240. On the daily candle, we expect 1.35388 and 1.33835. You keen to observe that the last day of the week, the moving average is trying to push it lower. Here on the daily, the moving average is trying to push it lower. And on the weekly, we are seeing bears trying to push for a bear day. Nothing else except observation. And on the simple moving average, monthly no signal, weekly no signal. On the daily, only we're seeing the support price is tending to be bullish, but trade coming to the support. All right, nothing else. On the daily candle, we are seeing the bears, the bullish, trying to hold price not to go lower, but time will tell. So that's it. Thank you for staying tuned, and we wish you the best of luck. We're here to assist and serve you guys, so we wish you the best of luck in your upcoming week. Set and forget because you know the laws, not setting and forget because you think price will go there. Where is more important than what is happening. Where the price is going is more important than what's happening. So stay blessed. Have a good week. Cheers. Set and forget.